Hello everyone, PJ here and welcome to our Ultra Pro Pickleball Shop. Today guys, we will be having some paddle updates so that what you can expect if you'll come here to our main shop here inside Cofinos Coffee Bar fronting Batingil Elementary School, Dumaguete City. By the way guys, we also accept debit and credit card swipe payment here and we can also ship nationwide. So check this out. Karon guys, during apart, what we have here is we have our Aronax, the Thunder 10, ang pinaka-popular, and the Boost 1, the new one. So if you want to check out and if you are planning to get Aronax, now Aronax is known for its grit and its power and control. So nindot ni siya, all paddles are Gen 4 already. So foam na ni siya guys. So if you want one, now anhi lang mo dere para ma-check ninyo physically. From last, we also have the Pro 4 Inferno. It's also kani siya guys, foam sa ni siya, usa na lang ni siya. So, if you're planning to get a Laz na Inferno, blaze ni siya. So, it's color blue, naapota na dire. For our Pro 4, so naapata dire guys, and the good thing is, this is already on sale right now, less 1,500. So, we have the Yola Pro 4 Hyperion and Perseus. So, nindot kay name, you know it, it's Yola, so it's honeycomb. But performing kayo siya nga paddle guys. So you can also get yours now dire available. Sa ato ang Selkirk, we have the SLK. And we also have the Yola Hyperion 3S, no? From Yola. Now, dire nga side na atay Kamito Domino. So mo ni siya nga tuwa karong pinakabag-o sa market. So naa lang tay few stocks left. Sorry guys, wala tayo reservation for now because limited lang gid siya. So if you want to grab yours, napata sa tulo ka color na to. We have the purple, we have the rose gold, and we have the green. So get yours now. Now, in the report nga side, ako may good news. We already restocked our Slamopos. We have all the colors. We have the black, the silver, and the metallic pink. So, high-performing paddle guys. It's still parehos dominos. Pareho ni sila nga. They're all Gen 4. Now here, makita po nato, guys, naatay Kwangdong, no? Kwangyong paddle, and it's the gold chrome nga print, and then naapod tay blue and cream or beige nga color. So air is actually a foam core nga paddle gikan sa kay Wika Kwangyong. So guys, check this out, and also please know naatay Kamito Genesis. It's white, so one of a kind. Panalagsaon kay ni siya. So this is also one piece na ni siya diri sa ato ang shop. If you want to get yours, grab this now. And we also have from 6.0. Usa na lang po ni kabuok is the Black Opal. A 14mm power, na high control, high performing paddle from 6.0. Another from 6.0 is our pinaka-popular. It's the paddle of the year 2025. It's the Coral Hybrid 16mm paddle. And from Kaiwin guys, mo ni ato ang Kaiwin Boss Johnny Arcilla nga paddle, no? We have three colors. We have the red, the blue, and the green. So this is Gen 3, but larger sweet spot, mas dako siya og handle kaysa Gen 2 Diamond. Now, we also have ang ilahang gitawag og foam paddle, Gen 4. It's the Kaiwin Rocket. So guys, what are you waiting for? Ani na mo diri sa tong shop, and you can also check out our tour bags, no? Naatay silver spin tour bag from Kaiwin. We also have the cream, and we also have the Wika Core Packs tour bag ni Kwangyong, and we have the backpack na Wika. You can check out also our different Wika brand nga mga shoes. Sa atong accessories, we also have Booty products. So, we all know, high-performing ni siya nga overgrip and edge tapes nato nga naa-diri karon. So, ano lang mo guys, so you can check out natin printed, naatay bold colors sa atong edge tapes. Then, we also have different also overgrips from Dalcoms. We also have sa mga gearbox users, naatay edge tape nga gearbox yun, naa-diri karon. For our 3D prints, we have our paddle stacker, we have our kitchen POV phone holder. O sa mga nangita dira og eraser, we have this one. Eraser. Di ba? Napa siya case. And lastly, river balls. Available karon natay river balls. So So thank you so much for watching this vlog. Hopefully, magkita-kita na dire. For more details, you can PM me personally or sa atong Facebook page, Ultra Pro Pickleball Shop. God bless everyone and have a good day.